Welcome to Choice Champions. The best cooler vest is probably one of the most innovative pieces of gear for anyone working or playing in the heat. Whether you're a construction worker, a hiker, or just someone who hates being hot, these vests can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top cooler vests on the market, helping you find the perfect one to keep you cool and comfortable all day long. Number 5. Mission Cooling Hoodie Towel. Introducing the Mission Cooling Hoodie Towel. This innovative towel cools instantly when wet. It's perfect for staying refreshed during any activity. The secret is the evaporative cooling technology. Simply wet it, wring it out, and wear it. It provides a refreshing cool sensation. This hoodie towel also offers UPF 50 sun protection. It helps shield you from harmful UV rays while you enjoy the outdoors. The design contours your head to stay in place. Whether you're running, working out, or just relaxing, it stays secure. It's great for sports, fitness, and the gym. Stay cool and comfortable during your toughest workouts with this essential gear. What we like. This hoodie towel offers instant cooling when wet, perfect for those intense workouts. It also provides UPF 50 sun protection, shielding you from harmful rays. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who enjoys sports and fitness, this is a great choice to keep you cool and protected. What people say. The hoodie design is a game changer. It stays on without slipping, and the material feels soft against the skin, no scratchy fabric or weird chemical smell like some other cooling towels. I've used it multiple times a week, and it's held up perfectly. No fraying edges, no fading, no loss of cooling power. Just rinse, re-wet, and repeat. It really does get cool and is a great upgrade from the basic cloth. I can wear it under my hat, feel cooled and shielded from the sun as I do yard work, etc. Number 4. FlexiFreeze Ice Vest Cooling Kit. Are you looking for a way to beat the heat? This cooling vest is designed to keep you comfortable in even the hottest conditions. It's perfect for anyone who works or plays outdoors. The FlexiFreeze Ice Vest uses advanced cooling technology to provide long-lasting relief. The refill panel ensures that you can stay cool for hours. It's a great way to stay productive and comfortable. This kit comes with an additional refill panel, so you can always have a fresh supply of cooling power. Simply swap out the panels as needed to maintain optimal comfort. It's easy to use and maintain. The included travel cooler makes it easy to take the FlexiFreeze Ice Vest with you wherever you go. Keep the refill panels frozen and ready to use. This makes it perfect for travel. Whether you're working, exercising, or just relaxing, this vest will help you stay cool and comfortable. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to beat the heat. Get yours today. What we like. This cooling kit includes an ice vest and an additional refill panel, ensuring long-lasting cooling. The travel cooler makes it easy to take it on the go. If you are looking for a comprehensive cooling solution with extended cooling time, this vest is ideal for you. What people say. The vest's cooling effect is impressive, providing noticeable relief in hot conditions. The design is well thought out, with strategically placed cooling packs for optimal coverage. The vest is effective at keeping the wearer cool during physical activities. Number 3. Portable Wearable Fan Cooling Vest, Black. Introducing the latest cooling technology. This vest uses advanced semiconductor cooling to create a refreshing breeze. It's like a portable air conditioner, wrapping your body in cool comfort, even in the hottest weather. This isn't just a cooling vest, it's also a chest pack. Utilizing the same technology found in refrigerators, it cools your entire body instantly. Plus, it has space to securely hold your essentials like your phone and keys. With its built-in 3000 mAh battery, it provides up to 10 hours of cooling. You can also pair it with a battery pack for continuous cooling all day long. Please note that the battery pack is not included. Carry it like a bag and free your hands. Enjoy the ultra-cool feeling and focus on what matters. The DC silent motor ensures quiet operation, quieter and lighter than a neck fan. It's designed to perform exceptionally, even in the heat. It comes in a regular, unisex size, suitable for everyone. The vest is designed for comfort and won't restrict your movement. It's the perfect gift for anyone who wants to stay cool, whether they're working, exercising, or just relaxing. What we like. This wearable fan uses advanced semiconductor cooling technology, like a portable air conditioner. It can work up to 10 hours with a single charge, and can work all day with an external battery pack. If you work outdoors or need all-day cooling, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It cools your back instantly and feels like having portable air conditioning. Its lightweight and breathable design makes it comfortable to carry for long periods, ideal for travel, sports, or hiking. It is easy to get on and off, and it is adjustable enough that it works well for me and my wife. The battery lasts for a long time, and it can be plugged into a power bank if you want to extend its use without recharging. The extra storage room is great, so you have somewhere to store your phone and keys without needing another bag or weighing down your pockets. It does stay in place well even with running, jumping, and bending. Number 2. HENNCHEE Cooling Safety Vest for Men and Women. Are you tired of working in the scorching sun? This vest is designed to keep you cool and comfortable. It's perfect for outdoor workers and anyone who needs relief from the heat. This vest comes with 12 ice packs strategically placed for optimal cooling. They provide long-lasting relief, so you can stay focused on the task at hand. It's a game changer for hot weather. This vest is designed to fit both men and women comfortably. It's made with breathable materials to ensure maximum comfort. You'll barely notice you're wearing it. This cooling vest is not only comfortable but also enhances safety. It helps prevent overheating, allowing you to work more efficiently. Stay safe and cool all day long. If you work outdoors, this vest is a must-have. It's ideal for construction, landscaping, and any job where you face the heat. It will keep you feeling refreshed. What we like. This safety vest comes with 12 ice packs for maximum cooling. It's designed as body-cool clothing, perfect for hot weather. If you're an outside worker or need extra cooling in hot conditions, this vest is a great choice. What people say. Fits well. Very high-quality product. It's reusable and will last a long time. Helps cool the body quickly. Adjustable size-wise. And at a good weight. Fits true to size, very easy to use. Great material. He said aside from it keeping you cool, it's light and comfortable. Doesn't get in the way. Feels very well made and comes with enough ice packs to have one fizzing while you use the other. Number 1. Gihuo Men's Fishing Vest Utility Safari Travel Vest. This vest is designed for the adventurous. It's perfect for fishing, safari, or any outdoor activity. It offers both style and practicality. With its numerous pockets, you can carry all your essentials. This vest keeps everything organized and within easy reach. It's ideal for travel and work. Made for the summer, this vest is lightweight and breathable. Its cargo design ensures you have enough space. It's a reliable companion for your outdoor pursuits. Whether you're a photographer or a worker, this vest is a great choice. It provides easy access to your gear. The vest is both practical and stylish. This vest is designed for comfort and functionality. It allows you to move freely. You'll stay comfortable all day long. What we like. This vest features multiple pockets, offering utility and convenience. It's designed for travel and outdoor activities. If you like having easy access to your essentials while staying cool, this vest is perfect for you. What people say. The vest's cooling effect is very effective. The vest is well designed and comfortable to wear. The vest provides significant relief from heat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.